welcome today to a new video. I hope that you guys had a lovely week and are enjoying your weekend today. So guys, today's video is about a Chanel bag unboxing, which I actually wasn't planning to do. I didn't plan to buy this bag. It was just like it wasn't impulsive, but it was like something that I didn't have on my wish list. If you guys know, if you haven't seen the video about my wish list, I would say that I didn't have like any really big bags except Hermes bags on my wish list, because I do feel that I have quite a great handbag collection at this moment and that I didn't need to add anything new. But this pre-spring summer collection took me a little bit by surprise. I think Chanel just brought out some beautiful new designs that really captured me. They are really dainty, they're very classic, they bring something that just sparkles something within me. I went into the Chanel store to look at certain bags that I really liked from the pre-summer spring collection, and I ended up buying one. So I went into this store and I tried actually a couple of bags. So the first bag that really caught my attention, that I was just drawn to and I didn't want to miss out on it, was a beautiful pearl bag, especially in the white color. I was just mesmerized by this bag when I saw it online. It reminded me on the specific pearl Chanel bag from S19 collection. It is such a beautiful bag. I just love that bag so much because it has like the big pearls, and the contrasting color with the black just makes the bag so wearable, so versatile, cute today, tonight. So it just reminded me so much of that bag, that I wanted to see this new bag that has like full pearls on it. But once I tried it on, it's actually a really beautiful bag, but I do think that it's not something that I was looking for. I think because the pearls here weren't that big, and I kind of like missed the contrasting color, and I do get that they don't make like the similar things, but I think I just had something in mind and it just didn't ended up being like what I wanted. So I tried it on, it wasn't, and I did think like the price was pretty steep for the bag that it is. It retailed for about 50,000 K, and I think for that bag I wasn't willing to drop that much cash on it. It wasn't worth it for me. Neither the white one or the black one was something that I really wanted to add to my collection eventually. So I was there and I had other bags in mind. So I also tried this beautiful bag, which was in the color gray. I really like this design. I saw it online in the pink color, so I wanted to try it. I saw it and I just really like the aesthetic of this bag. It looks so cute. It also reminds me of the Cali bag. They are similar to each other, but with a little difference with this one, that my iPhone Pro fits into it. So that was like a big bonus. So I really like the aesthetic of it, and this was like a huge contestant that I was like planning to get. I was really doubting between this bag. So a really beautiful bag, but I didn't end up getting this one because the color was really gray, and when I looked at it, it was just a little bit too pale gray, or it wasn't like the gray that I was looking for. I felt like it didn't match me that well, so in the end I was like, I better not go with this one. Then I ended up trying this beautiful pink color bag. I really love this bag so much. It had like lovely details on the handles. I tried it on and I was going back and forth whether I should take this bag. Now, the only thing that was holding me back is because this is a lighter bag, meaning that color transfer is an issue here, and also that I'm not a person that wears a lot of pink. I almost don't have anything pinkish in my closet. So this was like something that I was very going back and forth with. On the other hand, I do think that when you buy something that is pink, you don't have to per se wear it with stuff that is pink. You can wear it like right now when I'm wearing like a casual jeans and just a white shirt. It goes pretty beautifully, especially in the summer, to just have like a pop of color bag. So that is something that is definitely through my mind. And I don't have almost like any colored bag in my handbag collection. On the one hand, that's great because I can combine like all my bags with all the clothes that I have, because they're very neutral. I have either camel or black. I don't even like have white, so very neutral. But I do, or maybe I am at the point that I want to add some colorful things to my collection. So that is something that I was thinking about. And then, you guys, I tried the other bag that was also on my mind, and this is a very, very different bag. It is, I feel like it's a more like a retro style, and it does has like a pearl handle, and I really love this one. But I was going back and forth between these two bags because they both bring such different vibes. Like, do you go like for retro with pearls, or do you go with the pink that is definitely spring summer? So I was going back and forth, and then eventually I ended up not buying any of those two. I just wanted to go home and think about if I should purchase either of those two, because as I said, they weren't on my wish list and I wasn't planning to buy a bag, so it was quite impulsive, you might say. And sometimes this can happen, and I definitely leave room for these things, but I just wanted like a day or two to think about it if I would or wouldn't like end up going with one of these bags. And I've done this before, and sometimes I just pass on it and sometimes I buy something, and that is okay because you get that time to think about your next purchase. Is not something that is small, it's like a huge amount of money, and I still want to think pretty good if I want to add something to my collection. And I just want to emphasize here, if you're ever feeling like a little bit doubtful about something, don't be afraid to just say, let it go, let me think about it. And sometimes it might end up that your essay might hold it for you a day or two. Sometimes they won't hold it for you. It actually never happened to me, but if it's so highly, wanted, coveted by others, they won't hold it for you. But then again, I feel like if it's really something that you should or that you want, you will know. And if you have like a little bit of doubt, go and think about it. Take that time because you're a consumer and you have to like live with your decision. So that is just something that I just want to emphasize here. You can do that. You are in your right to do that. So I went home and I thought about it. And I think after a day or two, I think a day, I thought about it and I talked it, and I just went through my closet. I was like, do I want it? It's not like, do I need it? Because I definitely don't need another bag. Let's be honest about that. But is it something that I really would want, that I would use? Those are the things that were going through my head. So I'm being completely honest here with you guys. So I eventually went back and I bought the one that I thought was adding something special, and was something that I was looking for this year, even though it wasn't specifically on my wish list. So the one that I ended up buying is the one that I have here. You guys can see that I already unpacked it. I don't have the box with me because I think it's such a hassle to do that in the video. So sorry if you guys enjoy that. But it is here. I'm going to unbox it. I'm going to take it out, and this is the bag that I bought. It is called the shopping bag, and it is so cute. I really like this design. I talked about it in so many videos, I think, this year, that I wanted to add pearl to my collection, something new, and this bag wasn't on my wish list, but when I thought about it, it is in a very neutral color. I think it's so beautiful to pair with day and night. This bag goes so well with just a pair of jeans and like whatever I'm wearing right now, but still you can wear it in the evening as well. You have here like a shoulder strap, so you can definitely wear it like this. So cute. I think the length is perfect, but if you go like in the evening, you can unlock it right here, which I find like really cute. It's just like a different type of lock, and then you can put like the chain inside and it would be like just a cute clutch. Now, the one thing that I really loved about this one is it fits on my iPhone Pro. It also fits like all of the essentials that I want to take with me if I do want to go like a night out. So all of those things went through my mind and eventually made me pull the trigger on this beautiful bag. So look at this bag. It is so beautiful. It is gorgeous. I think it's definitely something different. I just love the design. Inside it's just like one space. Let me like get this out. It does have like a mini front pocket or back pocket, I would say. It is a back pocket here. So it's quite minimalistic, but I do like the style. It's very retro, it's very timeless, it's very chic, and I'm really, really happy, you guys, that I got this one. And I think it's something else. It's something that I don't see like everybody wearing. So I think that also went like through my mind, like, would I really enjoy this bag even if nobody buys it or it isn't like the it bag or anything? And I really, really, really love it. So I'm really excited that I got this bag. And yeah, this is it. So you guys, let me know in the comment box down below, what do you guys think of my purchase? Is it a yes or a no that I made like a good decision? I feel like I did, and I'm really, really happy with it, but I would love to hear what you think about it. Also, you guys, let me know if there are any bags from the spring summer collection that is on your wish list, because I actually do have one, which is the new, I think it is called the Hobo bag. I really, really adore the one that comes in suede. I've been seeing that everywhere. It is on my wish list. Not sure if I'm going to purchase that because I already bought like a Chanel bag this year, which I wasn't planning to buy, and I'm not sure if I want to add like another one. So let me know which one is on your wish list, and if you're new here, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you enjoyed these videos, and also don't forget to hit the notification bell so you get notified whenever I post a new video. For now, you guys, thank you so much for being here, sticking to the end, and I hope to see you in my next one. Bye!